Okay, the passenger left. She got out a little bit early. But this is a nice ride, but it was tough because, man, it's bumper to bumper at UCLA. It took me 10 minutes to just get to where she's at. She's like, "Hey, it's cool, Ahmed. You can drop me a little bit sooner because I don't need to go where the destination is. My dorm is over this way." I was like, "Thank you, Jasmine, because I really don't want to sit in this traffic anymore." Now I'm gonna get traffic coming out because it's still bumper to bumper, so I gotta figure out how to get out of here. That's gonna be fun. But $37. Hey, UCLA student, I highly doubt that they're gonna tip, but I don't mind. I don't mind at all because, students don't have a lot of money. Look at that. We're at $152. We got traffic. I think I'm gonna just keep going this way. Who knows? We might get lucky with the rematch over here. It's not airport, but you never know. There might be students here. There might be students here that need to go out. They might still want to party one more night. And here are the details. Basically, took 44 minutes to make $37, but 11 miles. I like that. In total, I've driven around 154 miles today. You can take at least 20 of that out because it doesn't really count, So I'm doing much better. I'm doing better than 1-to-1 ratio, which is nice. And now I'm just slowly working my way out, and then I'll figure out what to do. And if you look over here, that's basically everything I've done so far today. Just nice and easy. And you guys know what my rule is, right? This week's message has been slow it down, right? Look, from 10 in the morning to 4 p.m. That's 6 hours. $150, 5 rides. It's nice and easy, taking it smooth. And on top of that, there's 7 videos that I've uploaded to my YouTube channel. Meaning YouTube is growing. In Uber we're making money, and we're taking it easy. We're not stressed out. We're not hustling. Like, there's other people that drive Uber and they do 20-30 rides a day, and I don't mind that, but I'm just saying, don't you think it's a little bit smarter to just take 5 or 6 or 7 passengers, enjoy each conversation, enjoy each ride? Like, why take $8 here and $4 there? And yeah, you're gonna make a little bit more money, but in my opinion, after every passenger I take a break, right? And it's showing there's an event over here, 4 to 5 p.m. Yeah, it might surge right here. I'm gonna see. I think airport is better for me to kind of head back, but who knows? On my way there, I might get somebody. I'll keep you guys. Oh yes, look at that, Santa Monica. Oh, okay. Because of everyone coming back for the holidays, I think it's, again, smart. What? Okay, it showed this earlier too. I was this far away and it showed 241. By the time I got there, it was surging. So I'm not gonna believe that. I'm gonna actually use that as a guide, and hopefully if I can get somebody going that way is ideal. If not, it's probably gonna take me, let's see how long it's gonna take. What are you showing, my friend? Oh yeah, 20 minutes. There's no traffic. I'm just gonna go head that way and see if I get lucky at the airport and keep you guys posted. Went to my favorite gas station. At this time I just had to copy and paste it. So far, $54. $54 in gas today, right? So let's do the math over here. If I put $54 in gas, oh hell yeah! God damn, we left $5. God damn, we left $5 tip. Oh, I think it's a student. Oh my God. Hey, God bless you, Jasmine. That was very nice of you. I judged you a little bit. I was like, I don't think students are gonna tip. But you know what? Hey, God bless you, girl. Because students don't have a lot of money. I don't expect tip from anybody. But if a student gives me a tip, that means I'm doing something right. Oh my God. I helped her. Her bags were heavy, man. She had 2 heavy bags, right? I helped her out. Hey guys, look at that. $157 in 5 trips. Come on. You guys got to give me some props. The way I drive is completely different, right? Let's look at where we are for the summary. Let me give you an update. Oh my God. Okay. I tried my best to get $1,500 in 50 trips. I couldn't do it. I tried. Don't hate me for that, right? Well, check it out. This is pretty good. I have to make a screenshot right here, and I have to point this way. But the problem is this thing doesn't show up. Down here. I wish this wasn't here, right? I wish that wasn't there. Anyways, it is what it is. Let me take a quick screenshot for my YouTube channel because, you know, this is going to be a thumbnail. Sorry. Yeah, this is going to be a thumbnail. There you go. We're done. We got a thumbnail now. Now we can talk. All right, my friends. Now let's look at the drill over here. We are close to LAX and it's surging where the football game was. It's probably surging right here. Okay, this is what it's showing. You know what? I put Uber in timeout again, but let's go. It's almost 6 o'clock. Let's see what it shows. I'm going to use this to navigate. And this is what I mean by I put Uber in timeout. I turned everything off but Uber XL because it was going crazy. See, I turned everything off except for this. When it's going crazy like that, I don't want to deal with it. I do not want to deal with it. It just kind of stresses me out because there's so much money to be made. Here's my thing. If these idiots that are behind, the engineers and the programmers that are behind this, if they're not greedy, they can make way more money, right? They've forced us drivers to cherry pick and to slow it down and to basically beat the system, right? I know they still make money. If I made $150 or $157, I know Uber took a little bit more than that, right? But just imagine this. If I can drive and make $200-300, they can make $200-300, but they won't do it. Why? Greedy motherfuckers. Oh, sorry. I don't like cussing. My bad. You guys probably already follow my friend over here, Tip You in the app. And I said he's my friend because he responded to my comments. And anybody who responds to my comment is my friend. But look at the way he's responding to comments on his channel. Mailbag, your comments and questions, daily drive YouTube podcast. I love the way it's like the title is. I love the way how clean his channel is. And Tip You in the app. You know, we hear that all the time, right? So I'm gonna share this, copy it in my link, and I'll put it in the description if I remember. If I forget to put it in my description, hey, just look him up. Tip You in the app. He's really cool. He's really funny. You already know, like my homeboy right here, Jeff, right? Uber Jeep Arizona. He's one of the funniest, smartest Uber channels I know. Okay, chess moves. You know what? Let's go ahead and add this because I don't remember if I watched this video or not. I literally watch Jeff's videos sometimes twice because he's funny, he's intelligent, and honestly, when he comments on my videos and I comment on his videos, I appreciate that. This is how our channels grow. Other YouTubers are commenting on my video, I'm commenting on their video. They're encouraging me and motivating me, and I'm motivating them. Let me show you one more guy I like. Here's the deal. I'm telling you, this guy is solid. Okay. I'm gonna double check if oh my god, this video was 2 weeks ago. Oh my god. Okay, I watched this video twice. Okay, and maybe there was a newer video that he had. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, I knew I made a mistake. I've watched almost all of his videos. I'm trying to comment on all his videos. This is the one I just watched right now. By the way, he is on my channel.
Happy Friday.
He's on my channel. He's subscribed, he comments, and he basically said I motivated him to get on YouTube, which I appreciate. But I'm listening to him, I'm reading his comments, and I'm realizing he's really good. He's really smart, right? Like, just watch his video for a second with me. I'll be quiet for a second. Just watch this video for a second.
First Friday of 2024, so Happy New Year as well. I wanted to make a video on what I earned for New Year's Eve going into New Year's Day. It is not what I expected. Uber's definitely changing things up. I made roughly 500 bucks. I was expecting a minimum of 600. It sounds like a lot of money, but it really isn't for the amount of...
Look, I'm surprised that his channel has 8 followers. Actually, he had 9. I had another account. I'm trying to clean that up, so I'm only following him from my channel. But look, here's the deal. Check him out. He's smart. He's intelligent. I don't know if he's funny yet, right? But I'm telling you, the guy is very smart. Everything he's told me in my comments has helped me become a better driver. And then now I'm watching him, and I want to encourage him, and I want to encourage you guys. This is how our YouTube channel grows. We, the drivers, help each other, and we're building a community, and all of us know each other, right? All of us know each other. If you go over here and you look at my WhatsApp group, right here, I've been changing it up a little bit, but look, we grew. We grew again today. We grew. I put a video out, and look at this. Once again, thanks, bro. I watched it. Thank you for the tip. Great video today. Meaning, not only are we encouraging each other on WhatsApp, but we're also encouraging each other on YouTube channel. I haven't gotten to Twitter yet. I don't have time. But what I'm saying is wherever we are, the drivers are uniting. Not only are we uniting, there's no union yet, right? But I'm telling you, we are growing, and we're pretty soon we're going to stop driving Uber. I'm telling you guys. Hey, deuces, I'm going to upload this video because by the time I get to LAX, a new video is going to start.